Hi there everyone, we're going to repair screen on XA2 Ultra. I did charge the phone and then while trying to test it I switched it on. So pretty much goes, there's nothing right there. But the looks of the LCD, this is the first time that I'm changing, so I'm not sure how to open the phone and stuff like that. But by the looks goes, it is smashed completely. Only mistake that I did was that I switched it on. So at one point we need to open it from the back cover because mostly they go under the battery, and I see that either it's been repaired before or I think because of the damage of that, and there is a sensor there also. When I press it, it rings so that it vibrates. So sensor cable looks like that it should be something like Huawei phones. First we're gonna open, I have to because now I need to disconnect the battery from the phone to make it off, and for that I'm going to heat it up with my normal heat gun all around. I'm gonna pause here. I heated it up a little bit, not much, because I see, as I told you, that it's been open, and my normal tool X-ray, got this plastic pudger also and guitar pick, but we're not going to penetrate too much because I don't know the position of the flexi cable of this trying to look inside. This is the first time that it's been opened, but yeah, it's like aluminum or plastic. Be gentle with it. If you see, I see that it's taking out some, okay, that's look like some other part. Just gonna heat it a little bit more, we don't want to break anything. This looks like a lock. What is in there though? Take your time and heat it up proper so it can loosen the grip. Sorry about all the shaking, my table is not stable today. Yeah, so it's coming out. I'm just gonna make this table steady. I think it's maybe been open. I'm going to heat up a little bit more. Depending on your stiffness of the back cover, you can heat up according to that. There are clips and it's not that hard, so it means somebody has opened it before. Okay, I see now there's a flexi for, let's remove this one. This thing is opening in pieces. There is already a screw in there. Now we'll see what is that. There's another screw here. And all the screws are missing, so this has definitely been opened before. There are some technicians who don't like to do the proper job, just a quick job. Although I can do is also quick job, but at least screws must be back, man. There's a battery. Okay, as usual, star screwdriver. How many left? One here. I believe this should come out. Aerial sensor. Okay. One of them is battery. This is a battery. But the new LCD connector look. This look. LCD. I don't know which one is this. So it must have been replaced before also. So this shouldn't be difficult to open. That's the battery. It's like iPhone X, I think. Yeah, this sticky thing. We have to remove this. I don't know how many screws were there. I'm not going to try to open the complete phone. If I can change the LCD without opening it. Doing it gently. Okay. This is ringer. So this goes underneath here. I'm gonna stop here just to see that how we can remove this, because I just need to change the LCD. So if it can be possible, this looks like a changed one as well before, so it shouldn't be a problem removing the front LCD. I'm just gonna heat up as I do. Medium heat. There is camera also. Two cameras, front cameras, two. Okay. And two. I'm gonna heat up a little bit. That thing is completely messed up. If the LCD is like this condition, then I don't give much of the I'm just gonna remove all the pieces. All the stopping I do to save your time and data. I have cleaned all around. There was some dust also. All the glass pieces are out. I'm just going to put them onto a side. Put the new LCD. Looks like it's fitting. This one was quite easy. Remember, it's been opened before. So if I opened it first time, but this has been opened before. If it's never been opened, I don't know how difficult it could be. Sony, voila. I'm gonna pause it again. It's on now. The password. I don't know what is it. For me, I think I'll go this far. I'll put this glue and close it. So I'm gonna pause it to just put the glue and stuff like that. I can't check it further than that because it has a password and the customer never gave me password. Before I put the glue and stuff, I just wanna make it a little bit more stronger so it can hold it proper. Double tape right on the corners. I'm going to put all around glue. So all around I did put glue. This B7000. Sometimes simplest thing becomes a little bit of it hassle. I'm just going to remove that small piece of tape. Do not. going to put double-sided tape here. This is the double tape. Before we close everything, I just want to check. It's working. So I'm going to put the so 1, 2, 3, 4, and there were 2 here, so I'm just going to distribute them evenly so it can hold this. I have put almost all the screws on these aerials and this cover. Now I'm going to put glue so it can close properly. Then we're going to, only thing that I skipped, which I never noticed, I'm just going to explain you now. Once I'm done with this thing, I think this phone has a front flash for selfies. Because there was a glass, I noticed, like a I'd rather use this beside the double tape. Like this glass, I noticed on the LCD, it was onto this SIM card shape kind of thingy. So I removed it and I'll show you where did it go. It has its own clips as I showed you in the beginning. And another thing that I saw was the SIM card tray. Customer did give me separately without the SIM card. So this was the glass that I'm talking about, this SIM card shape. So when you're removing the old LCD, must remember to put this thing there onto the new, so it can give you that flash. Just before we go, I'm gonna switch it on again to see everything is working. I hope this video will help you to fix the LCD for XA2 Ultra. I'm going to wrap it as usual that I do all around with the rubber bands so it can stick to one place. Hopefully this video will help you. Please subscribe and share and like if you like. If you want to share something that I skipped off that wasn't intentional, I did not notice it. Beside that glass, everything I did, I tell you. So if you see that there is something left over I did not explain, please help me to learn more. And to change the LCD, if you're changing only the LCD, you don't need to open each and everything. You can just take out the front piece and 2 covers here and the battery, and it will be done. Thank you very much. Hope you have good time.